La 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 la. La 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 la. Hey 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 la. La 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 la.
The road roller smooths everything out. Teamwork builds success.
Whoa!
La 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 la.
Oh no! A lightning bolt struck the road. Let's see what happened next. A large hole appeared in the middle of the road. How dangerous! Thankfully, a warning sign was placed to keep everyone safe. 2 cars prepared to race, ignoring the dangers ahead.
Let's race. I'm going to beat you.
3, 2, 1, go!
The countdown began, and the cars sped off at full speed. They raced fiercely without paying attention to the warning signs.
Oh no!
The red car wasn't looking and fell into the hole. The yellow car couldn't stop in time and also fell into the hole. What a disaster! A truck carrying cargo approached but couldn't stop in time. The cargo spilled into the hole, making the situation even worse.
Hello, I need your help. Okay, we'll get there immediately.
Okay, we'll be right here.
The rescue team to save the cars and fix the road. All the loads were carefully pulled up. Soon after, the yellow car and the red car were also saved from the hole. Remember to always help those in need.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Let's fix the road. Okay.
Okay.
A few moments later.
The yellow truck is being loaded with sand. This is amazing.
Okay, let's go.
Wow! The hole is disappearing. The road roller is making sure the road is as smooth as possible. Remember that teamwork solves all problems. rescue team repaired the road to safe again.